Hi everybody, this is Sir Pierre, back another day with another unboxing. Two of them. I don't know if I'm gonna do two videos or just have this as a bonus, because you have already seen a bunch of videos with the Logitech MX Masters 3. And from what we all can easily understand from all the videos is that everybody thinks that this is the best mouse ever. And I'm satisfied. I have had both the MX Master 1 and then the 2, and I'm really satisfied with it. No complaints at all. So I'm kind of curious about how they can improve something that is already flawless. But this is what I'm going to focus on. This is something that I've really been waiting for, that I really need. And if you follow me on YouTube, which I hope you do, please subscribe. You've seen that I've tried a bunch of keyboards lately, because the K750 that I have, I really like it in every way. It's just that the tabs that I don't usually use are getting really stubborn. So I thought it was time for me to get a new keyboard, and Logitech hasn't released anything new in a long time. So I've been waiting for them to release something new that is flat. And this keyboard seems to press all my keys, pun intended. It's flat, it's wireless, it's sort of discreet, and it has backlight, so the keys light up. The only thing is that it's not charged by solar power, but from what I understand, you charge it like once in a month or something, even less I think. I'm gonna give you all the specs in my blog post. So let's see what it says. No, let's look at it. First of all, it's very heavy. Very heavy. So let's see how heavy it is. If I can just hold it still, it weighs 830 grams. That's quite heavy for a keyboard, but I don't mind that at all, because the cheaper Logitech keyboard that I tried, they have been too lightweight. So when I sit at my desk, it just like floats around on the table. So yeah, this feels nice. I was a bit worried about this part where it lifts the keyboard, because I really like the keyboard to be super flat on the table, but so far it doesn't seem to bother me at all. Logitech had a deal where you bought both the MX Master 3 and the MX keys, and you got a wrist pad, but Logitech service was super terrible. They replied my mails very late, so I didn't get that. So what I want from a keyboard is flat, very flat keys, which this has. Easy keys to punch, because one of the keyboards that I tried, you had to really hit the space bar. That seemed to be not a normal problem, but the way that that keyboard was built, because everybody complained about that. And it's also Bluetooth, so I can type on my iPhone with it, and backlighted, so the keys light up in the dark. So let's go to my computer and see how it feels. And then we're back in here again with the mouse. So I might as well open it here, just to see what it feels like before I compare it with the MX2. I think this is number 2 I have. So this small box, I think the package to the other one was bigger in every way, like plastic, etc., etc. So here we have the charging cable, USB-C, of course. Feels light, it feels smaller, and the dongle I only need one. Yeah, feels light, feels a bit smaller. Maybe I don't like this sound. But yeah, let's compare it. I thought they were going to be black or darker, but they are graphite gray. It will look great with the Genelec speakers if you have those. Alright, so I've installed them both, and even though I already have this unifier receiver, when you get a new one, always use the latest one, because yeah, newer is better. So the keyboards, they look actually kind of similar in size. Of course, we have the solar panel here, but when it comes to the flatness, they're just as flat. The new one has this angle, but I don't think we can do without this part, because here is where the battery is. So that actually makes me even more impressed with this one, because this is just as flat with the battery. This one has the small C302 battery. This one have a larger battery, and this one is very old now, but I've been very happy with it. I never had to change the battery. I charge it in the sun like a couple of times a year, so it's been really good. It's just that some of the keys won't work. Now I've unplugged this. That went automatically with the old unifier receiver. So the old mouse and old keyboard is gone. As you can see, as soon as I just near it, it lights up. I can change how I want it to, how much it should glow. And this is something that I think will be very useful for me, because I usually blog late at night, and in the summer I don't want to have the lights in the ceiling on because they get very warm. So let's see if I enter some page. You see, type my name. The number, the keys feels maybe a bit harder than on my old one, but the response is good. It feels very good. The keys are stiff but soft, so very direct, and the keys are shaped like a bowl, small bowl. So even in the dark, you should find the keys easier and not type wrong. So and you can adjust all the keys here to whatever you want to control. You have the easy quick tab here, so you can switch between computer, phone, and tablet, or TV or other tablets or whatever. So far so good. I have nothing to complain about, actually. It's nice that I can change how much I want the backlight to light, and it goes dark when I'm not close to it. Probably after a while, yeah, like that. I mean, all right, so I don't even have to touch it. I just do like this or something, and enter it, or get close to it, and it lights up. Then we have the mouse. When I have them side by side, I don't see the huge difference. The thumb thing is slightly bigger, and on the MX Master 1, I think that the tabs for shifting front and back were down here somewhere, and they are that once again. And we don't have that, or we do have that button. Yeah, it's just much easier to find here. So you press down your thumb, there is also a button there. It's still here, but a lot stiffer, and it feels like I can really feel where it is. It's somewhere like here, and here I can just enter it wherever. And yeah, the shifter, let's see. So now it's soft because you have this button to have the steps or free floating. So yeah, it feels good. So far I'm not like hugely impressed by the difference between them like everybody else seems to be. I didn't have to buy the new one because I was so super satisfied with this. Yeah, but now I have it. I actually think that I don't have so big hands, but I think this one feels better in my hand because this one fills my palm, and this one feels smaller. It is smaller, so I don't have this part. But they are very similar. This one is bigger, and I actually like that one. But hey, now I have the new one, so of course I'm going to use the new one. That's it. Alright, so there is one thing that I was hoping that they would improve with this one. As you can see, I have two screens, and I want to change from the end of this screen to the end of that screen with just this kind of small movement. And it worked with the MX Master 1 with the old Logitech program, but when they changed into this one, it wasn't available in the same way. I can change the speed of the mouse, but it still doesn't do sort of what I like. The MX Master 1 had this acceleration thing where if I move the hand slow, the mouse went slow, but when I did a quick move, it did a large move on the screen. And yes, both the MX Master 2 and the MX Master 3 are suitable for two screens, but also two computers. But I just want to have that old function with the acceleration. So with a slow move like this, but with a fast move, it moves a lot. So yeah, that's it. I was really hoping that they will fix that. So far I'm not super impressed with the mouse, and they're kind of expensive. Here in Sweden the keyboard is 120 euros, and the MX Master mouse is I think 140 euro, so quite expensive for them both. So if you have the MX Master 2, you don't need to upgrade. I don't see that. And that was my thought when I saw the news of it also. But yeah, here we are. I hope you liked the video. I hope you like my review. I hope you don't mind that I had them both in one video, both the mouse and the keyboard. Yeah, one more thing. The MX Master 1, I could tilt the wheel I think it was I had it to adjust the volume, and I really like that, to tilt the wheel. But here it's stuck in the middle. I don't think it's clickable, at least. So that's one thing that I also miss from the older mouse. My next things that I noticed that I don't like, or maybe I like, I'm gonna put in my blog review. So check the link in the description for a more detailed review maybe. But so far this is it. Thanks. So yeah, this is it. I hope you like my video. Please ask me if you have any questions. I've noticed that my keyboard videos are very popular, so just hit me up and I'll try to reply and answer all your questions. I hope you liked the video. Please subscribe, give me a thumbs up, comment, and thank you for watching.